Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I got 4 auger bits in the toolbox from Burgess, and while I was waiting for the video to save and get ready to upload, I thought I'd clean up a couple of them. So I did, cleaned them up, waxed them, and tried them. I was kind of surprised at how well they did. This is the best stuff to keep things from rusting that I've found. Okay, let's give this a test with a $6 brace. This has a lot of the earmarks of a Miller Falls, but it's a Craftsman. Now let's see if these drill bits, that all I did was wire brush them. Let's see how they do. They're right out of the junk box from Burgess Antiques. Just checking to see when the pilot comes out. There we go. Okay. That's pretty good. Could use a touch-up. It's a little dull. Let's try the little one. Yep. Almost all the way through. That was going to be pretty splintery on the exit. I didn't catch it fast enough. Yep, blew out. A lot worse than that one. But still, a nice clean cut. I think if I had caught the bit before it broke through on the other side, it wouldn't have splintered at all. This one's fairly sharp. I think they both could use a little touch-up. But if you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.